So sharp.
He's so sharp. Standing by so sharp in the pool, he'll have you for dinner. If not, the crew is time to turn on that heat. And here he comes. That's what he's going to follow for you. Just as fast as the crew is fast. Now you want to see how streamer the boy of sea lion can be. Focus your attention on stand. Well, stand whenever you're ready, and up he comes to above, belly slide. Now once you focus attention on the trainer, listening is you might know, and what he's holding right now is called ball target. What Stan is going to do is going to dive into the pool, lift up, and touch the ball target. But you might know you're ready. Stand whenever you're ready, and here he comes. Well, that's called oh, we got a couple of questions coming up your way. And this is why we call the show Land Survivors. Alright guys, if you might want to get our hands ready, you know what Stan does. Let's go. Now many a times you've been asked, how do we train our sea lions for shows just like this? It's very simple. They work on the food reward system. Now take the frisbee for example. Give it more time to the day over there. Okay, come on ready. Take a look at Uday. When he throws the frisbee over to Stan, he catches it and he gets a big juicy piece of reward. Now we get to have fun with Stan every single day right in the Singapore Zoo. So it's only fair to give 2 volunteers a chance to do so as well. Now firstly, I need a lady. Ladies in the house, raise up your hands high up. Alright, ma'am, you there and you, come on now. Now I need one big macho man. A big macho man. Yes sir, over there. Alright, ma'am, what's your name? Homer, where are you from? Homer from India. Alright, one more time for him to join us. Just stand right over here. What's your name? Your kind? Karen. From? New Zealand. Okay, we got Komal and Karen. How about a big round of applause for them first? Alright guys, it's very simple. Take a look at Uday. What you're going to do is going to throw the frisbee over to Stan. And when Stan catches it, he gets a big juicy piece of reward. And I promise you, you'll get a big round of applause. But now, what do we do if we miss? What shall we do if we miss? Any ideas? Well, it looks like the star of the show has something to say. No, what did he say?
He said, if they miss, you should go with them. Throw them into the pool.
Throw them into the pool! Alright guys, I'm not angry. But you know what? We should let the audience decide. Should we throw them into the pool they miss? I said, shall we throw them into the pool they miss? Well, looks like they decided. So ladies, let's get have to throw them first. Come on, let's get out, yeah? Okay, hold on. I think Stan has more to say.
He said, if they miss, they go into the pool, right?
Yes.
If he catch the frisbee, what he get?
A big juicy piece of reward?
Every day, now and then, he get fish, something different.
Maybe you should jump into the pool?
You into the pool.
Me jump into the pool? Alright, let's see how this goes, alright? So come on. On the count of 3, you're going to throw the frisbee over the Stan. 1, 2, 3. And all the way to Stan. Okay, come on, let's see. I have to eat first. audience. Are you good at frisbees? You're not good at frisbees. Can you do better and go home? Alright, but I have one thing to share with you.